Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're exploring the benefits of growing romaine lettuce in raised beds. Raised beds offer excellent soil control, improved drainage, and an efficient use of space. Let's dive into how you can optimize your raised bed for a healthy, bountiful harvest. Raised beds give you greater control over soil quality, allowing you to create the perfect growing environment for your romaine lettuce. They also provide better drainage, which helps prevent waterlogging and root rot, two common issues in traditional garden beds. With raised beds, you can optimize space by planting romaine lettuce closer together while still maintaining good air circulation. Space your plants about 10 to 12 inches apart. This ensures each plant has enough room to grow, while the elevated bed design promotes airflow, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. To get the most out of your raised bed, start with a rich, well-draining soil mix, and consider adding mulch to retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Regularly check the soil moisture, especially during dry spells, as raised beds can dry out faster than in-ground beds. Raised beds are a fantastic way to grow romaine lettuce, offering control, efficiency, and a healthy growing environment. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy planting!